This brand new habit I'll share with you in today's video pays you in extra paper money, and I'm going to show you how. You can join for absolutely free and from anywhere in the world. Just make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get every step right. Just before we start though, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and that way make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends too, and just give a comment down below if you have any opinion or question about this video. Without any further ado, I'm going to just start right away with this tutorial so I can show you every single step, and stay tuned until the end because you can get easily lost and confused since I'm going to give you multiple steps. And the very first one is to come over to this platform called Paidwork. This is over at paidwork.com. You can just notice that you can make money online on your phone, computer or tablet wherever you are in the world and without investment, so absolutely free. They do offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store, so you can download it on your iOS and Android device as well. And we are going to see it in a minute. You can just scroll down to see some other features about this platform. You can turn your time into profit. Paidwork is a full-time or additional job for all the people in every country in the world. You just need a device with an internet connection and you're going to just get paid for your time spent here on the platform. You're going to have everything under control. Just choose the method of earning that you want, like playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online and creating accounts. Also, you can collect your profits by following some simple instructions. You can earn up to $150 without any additional taxes, and of course there is no limit of how much money you can make. You decide how much time and effort you're going to put on this to get the desired results. You can just increase your earnings wherever you are, on the bus, at work, at school. You can use this platform to earn money online, and it's always going to just set your goals and focus on what works best for you. You can choose the way that you would like the most, or you can combine all of them to make the most money. What I want you to do is to just go over on how it works section so you can see more about this platform. You're going to discover how easy it is to use this platform. First of all, you're going to select a method of earning, and they include 4 types, just like we saw even before. Then you're going to just execute the steps correctly in order to receive your money right away, and you're going to leave the admin stuff to them. You can see and try all of the resources that you want. Click on see more and it's going to take you over to this page where you can see all of the methods of earning, like playing games, filling out surveys, online shopping, watching videos, and even using their referral program in order to get paid in passive income. They offer a referral commission whenever you bring new members to this platform, so you can go over to some Make Money Online groups or Make Money Online forums in order to find people that you think that are interested in using this platform. You're going to share your referral link with them, and I'm going to show you where you can find it actually, and then you can just get paid again and again in extra income and also maximize your results. So what you need to do actually is, of course, to create an account for absolutely free by clicking on the registration button in the upper right corner. Then you're going to just register with your Google account or Microsoft account because it is a lot faster and easier. It only requires one click of a button, or you can do this manually by putting your email address, a password, and click on the next step to put some other information as well, just like your username and so on. Once you do so, this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard where you can just track your estimated earnings today, yesterday, last 7 days, this month, and also the overall balance. You can see that it says $0 since I just created this account for the purpose of this tutorial. I need to also verify my email, and you're going to do the same thing actually. You need to go over to your inbox and they are going to send you an email with an activation link so you can activate your account and also add some basic information about yourself too. You're going to see in the left hand side the earn section where you're going to just do all of the tasks in order to get paid. The analytics one, the billings, where you can just put your payment methods, how you want to get paid. The referral program section where you will be able to get your referral code, and also settings. So I want you to go over to the earn section for right now. So you just need to find the method of earning that you like the most. You're going to even get some points that you can collect, and 100 points equal $1. For each of these ways to get paid, you're going to have an information. You just need to click on the I button up here. For example, for playing games, you can get paid from $1 up to $100 for completing a task in a game. You just need to install the game you like and complete a specific task. Of course, there are some tasks that take several days to complete and are more difficult. So the more difficult the task, the more money you're going to earn, of course. By filling out some surveys, you're going to get paid from 50 cents up to $10. You need to complete some surveys based on your interest, and you can see here that this method of earnings requires to spend more time, and also you can even provide some personal data since they want to know more about you and to just send to you some surveys that are relevant to your interest. By watching videos, you can get paid from 0.1 to 1 points, and you can see that these videos are 30 seconds long, and after clicking the start watching videos button, a new video will appear. After 30 seconds, you're going to get paid by watching that video. If you close an ad or window during monetization, you won't earn, so make sure to leave it open while the video is playing. While 30 seconds are gone, you're going to get your money, of course, because those points are going to be redeemed for money, just like we saw even before. Also, you can just do online shopping and get cash back from 50 cents up to $25 for purchasing a product, and this varies on the products that you're going to use. It depends on the value of the products that you're going to purchase. You just need to buy some products, participate in free trials in order to get cash back. To make the purchase correctly, follow also the steps. So I want to mention that you just need to click on the earn button. There are some of these methods that are not available for the desktop version, so you just need to use the app version. As we saw before, you can go over to App Store and Google Play Store to download the app. Here on App Store is called Paidwork Make Money, and they got like 188 ratings and 3 stars reviews. Here on Google Play Store it's called the same, and they got 5 million of downloads and 3.3 stars. So they are not pretty good reviews actually, but of course you can even use it on your own to see which works best, the app version or the desktop version, to see how much money you can make per day and if it's profitable for you or not. So it's you who's going to decide if you are going to just like this platform and use it in order to earn extra money or not. So I highly recommend that you give it a try. It is absolutely free to join. Just like I said before, you just need to find the registration button or just download the app from App Store and Google Play Store for absolutely free. And of course it also depends a little bit on you and how much time and effort you're going to put on this platform in order to make the desired results. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also just subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, and I'm going to get you notified whenever I upload brand new videos. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial with a brand new strategy on how to make money online.